Welcome to this Melomania One Plus Bluetooth pairing and setup tutorial. We'll be using an iPhone for this tutorial, however, the steps are similar for Android and other devices. When new, charge your Melomania One Plus for at least 30 minutes to ensure you have a good level of battery power. To do this, place each earphone in the case and plug the USB-C cable into the side, powered by any USB power source. The lights on the front of the case will illuminate to indicate the case is being charged and also its battery level. To pair Melomania One Plus for the first time, take your earbuds out of the case. The light on one of them should flash blue and white to indicate it is waiting to pair via Bluetooth. The light on the other should repeatedly flash white 3 times. Then, go to the Bluetooth settings on your smartphone and turn on Bluetooth. Press on either Melomania One Plus L or Melomania One Plus R when it appears. When the pop-up Bluetooth pairing request appears on your smartphone a few seconds later, click Pair to pair the secondary earphone. You will see both Melomania One Plus L and Melomania One Plus R devices in your phone's Bluetooth paired devices list. This means your earphones are paired correctly. If you do not see Melomania One Plus L and Melomania One Plus R devices in your phone's Bluetooth paired devices list, it's important to go through this pairing process again. If only one earphone has paired, it's best to unpair that earphone before continuing, so you can repeat the process again from a clean start. When successfully connected for listening to audio or using the Melomania app, the Bluetooth device list on an iOS device will show one Melomania earphone as connected and the other as not connected. An Android device will show one Melomania earphone as connected and the other will show as a paired device, but not connected. On an iOS device, when the Melomania app is communicating with the earphones, you may see a third Melomania device connection in the list. This is perfectly normal. Do not disconnect it. On an iOS device, one connection may also be called headset. This is also okay. How to pair your earbuds to additional devices, such as another phone, laptop, or tablet. Simply press down on either earbud for 3 seconds to activate Bluetooth pairing mode. On the new device, turn on Bluetooth and press Melomania One Plus L or R, then wait for the pop-up window and pair. Turn Bluetooth off on the device you are currently connected to. Go to the Bluetooth settings on your new device and select Melomania One Plus L or R. For more help and guidance, please visit our support site at melosupport.cambridgeaudio.com.